how to manage storage on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage storage on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now just go down here until you find this one, manage storage, and here you can manage Messenger Lite storage. If you want to clear cache, just click this one here and cache will be cleared. And that's how to manage storage on a Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.